In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to issue a refund on Freshbooks, a well-known accounting software program. In order to help your business maintain great relationships with its clients, it's important to know how to correct billing errors when they occur. Firstly, start by visiting the Freshbooks website. Look for the client dashboard, and once you're there, you should keep an eye out for a section labeled as Invoices. This is where all your transaction details are kept, so it's pretty important for you. Once you locate the Invoices section, go ahead and click on it to view your company's detailed transaction history. After clicking the Invoices section, a tab labeled Paid will appear. This tab is designed to help you single out all your paid invoices without having to go through a pile of transactions that are still pending. Click on the Paid tab to show all the invoices that you have already received money for. Next, your job is to locate the specific invoice for which the refund needs to be made. Depending on how many transactions your business does, this might take a moment, but it's a critical step. Once you have found the invoice in question, select it so you can start the refund process. Now, here's where things get more specific. Upon selecting the invoice, you'll see there is a link provided below the invoice information, which when clicked, opens the detailed view of the invoice. Once you're there, the next step involves altering the invoice itself. You see, the next step is to delete the paid amount from the invoice. This is because you're essentially undoing the transaction, so the money you previously recorded as received is now being removed from your books. After the amount has been deleted, we come to the point where your responsibilities towards not only record keeping, but also client communication come into play. You're expected to explain why the refund is being issued, and this explanation goes in the payment note section of the invoice. It's important to be clear and transparent with your clients to create and maintain trust, so make sure to write this note with care. A key rule of making changes is always ensuring that you save them, and it's no different here. So our last step is clicking the Save button, which not only ensures that all the changes we've made to the invoice are kept, but also that the refund process is initiated and successfully applied. Remember, a well-organized and transparent refund process can increase customer satisfaction and build long-term relationships that benefit your business. So mastering this process on Freshbooks is an important skill set for anyone handling business finances. Happy